If you're seeing this, you've obviously been looking for the ultimate bite. These savory, crispy Boudin balls has crowd pleaser written all over it. We're going to start off by dicing our veggies. We're going to have our holy trinity, which is our onions, bell pepper, celery, also garlic, and I add a little bit of jalapeno. And I saute that and add some Cajun seasoning for about 3 minutes. Next, we're going to go ahead and cut open my Impossible breakfast sausage, and I'll be using the Impossible. These two sausages together mimics the original Boudin taste, and you still have to add a little extra seasoning. So I'm gonna add a little bit of vegan Worcestershire sauce and some more Cajun seasoning to it. I want to make sure I get that nice and crumpled down, so I cook that for about 10 minutes. Then I add in my cooked rice, which has been cooked in vegetable stock. I'm gonna add in my green onions and parsley and some garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, a little bit of hot sauce. I'm gonna give that a nice mix around. Now in this part, I'm gonna add a little bit of flaxseed meal and some water so I can help this bind together. You don't want this super wet, but you just want it stiff enough so it can hold. We're going to form our balls, and then we're going to add this to the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Next, you want to set up your breading station. So you're going to take 3 containers, and you're going to have one for your panko breadcrumbs, the other for your flour, and next for your egg mixture. And this is just egg, which is mung bean. You're going to season that, and I use more Cajun seasoning for that. And you're going to take each one of your balls, and you're going to start to dip them to your flour first. Next, you're going to move it to your egg and then into your panko breadcrumbs. And you want to make sure it's nicely coated. Put it in the oil at least 360 degrees and do not overcrowd the pan because it will not cook. Your balls are going to cook for at least 5 minutes. And in the meantime, you can make this mustard sauce, which I'll be sure to leave all the details in the description box below. Now it's time for them bad babies to come out of this hot oil. And look how delicious this looks. Nice, golden, and just perfect. You're going to drain it on some paper towel for about 2 minutes. Then you're going to set them up and ready to enjoy with your mustard sauce. Now, I first made this recipe in 2022 at one of my private dinners. And when I tell you this dish was the star of the show, it is literally a full meal in a bite. It is super savory. It's filling. And of course, it's absolutely delicious. I had someone at that dinner from NOLA, and she said, girl, this better taste authentic, because if it don't, I'm going to let you know. And when I tell you, baby, she gave me all the rounds of applause. I cannot wait for you to try this recipe out, and let me know when you do. I'm Chef Joya. Ciao.